Well, here we are on a nice rainy day. What I want to do is replace the battery which has failed on this Ford Fiesta. Yesterday we were out shopping, did a few local trips, and the car failed to start. I could just hear the starter solenoid clicking away. So I'm going to show you how it's done, all being well. Okay, I've noticed all the fittings, they are 10mm, so all you really need is a good 10mm spanner for this. But since I'm doing it in front of the camera, I've got a socket just to speed things up. First thing I'm going to undo is the negative battery lead. You've got to be really careful when you're working on cars. You can wear gloves if you like, protective goggles. What you will need to be careful of doing is shorting the positive to the body, or the negative, the positive to the body. That one's a bit stiff. Just open it up some more. So that's how accidents happen. You see how you're working with a tool, you can get a bit close to this terminal. That's when the whole thing just blows up in your face. So safety first, remove the negative. Years of corrosion. I think we'll give that one a clean before it goes back on. There's a bit of corrosion there. Then I can remove the housing, little clamp there, keeps the battery in. Be careful not to lose these nuts. I'm going to put them in this area up here for safekeeping. Save me a lot of trouble finding any if I lose them. You can actually save quite a bit of money on replacement batteries by shopping around and getting a mail order battery, which is indeed what we've done. I tend to like the names which, the brands you've heard of, household names. Just remove that. So there's a little tab what goes in there. Just makes it a bit fiddlier to remove. And now we're at the positive side. This is the original battery the car's had in, from new. This is a 2011 Ford Fiesta 1.25. Just rotate them a little bit. There's quite a bit of corrosion in that one, so I'll be cleaning that. And then the battery should lift out by the handle in this case. So we've now got our mail ordered battery. Due to the advantages that mail order has, we managed to get this battery and a bit of shopping around. We managed to get this one of a reputable make for the cost of a basic battery of some unknown brand. So just wiggle it in as best you can. Try and keep everything intact. Funny bit of the battery holder there, seems to have broke free. Just put that back in. Probably should have removed that before I started, but I was blissfully unaware of it. Make sure that you've got the positive there, negative there for this model of car. So we'll remove these covers. You can actually refit these if you wish. Just to keep everything neat. and your electrical connections. And then, because it came mail order, we've got transit plugs, so we need to remove these. There's one either side. Very important you do that. That just lets a bit of air into the battery, stops all the acid bubbling out. Okay, right, we'll go get something abrasive, slightly abrasive, and give these a clean, give it the best start. Okay, I've got a large wire brush. I'm just going to do more the outer edge with that one. Just brush the thick off. These nuts actually, they seem to be designed so they don't want to fully unscrew, which is a bonus. It's more difficult to lose. But it's the inside which does the electrical. I've got a smaller wire brush. This one's a bit like a toothbrush. Plan was that it went in and give it a good clean. You can use sandpaper to good effect. I think I will actually, that's not working very well. Okay, I've got a piece of sandpaper, I've just rolled it up into a tube. I'm just going to give it a twist round just to clean this terminal up better. When you're reasonably happy, it's time to refit it. Do the other terminal. It's a bit fiddlier to access actually. Well, that should do it. Right, reconnecting. We're going to reconnect the positive first, taking account where that is. It's all about thinking to prevent shorts. You can short a tool to the bodywork, which can be pretty nasty. I have actually had it done while I've been nearby, and believe you me, it's no fun wiping battery acid off your clothing. That'll totally ruin it. Not to mention the horrific boom. Don't go mad tightening these, it's just a pinch. Otherwise you can break the connector. Seems to be resisting for some reason, I don't know why. I think that'll do it. Can't find anything wrong with that. Negative. Get a little spark then as the car takes some of the power. You know, there's components with vehicles which provide a constant drain. Hopefully I may be lucky with the radio with this, who knows. Just a pinch. And then the bar. Put that in that side first. There is an easy way of finding out which battery you need, and that's to go on a website and you'll get a number for the type of battery. This one is a 063, so if you've got a Ford Fiesta 1.25 Mk7, that'll be what you need. If you've got the diesel variant, that could change. I think it likely will. There is a bit of extra play in the battery tray just to accommodate a bigger battery, but we didn't feel the need to do that. So again, we'll just give these nuts a pinch, remove some tools. I don't think I'm going to be able to fit that cover, so we'll forget about that. We'll just leave it as was, and then we'll see if it starts up. So we're now in the cabin of the car, and we'll see if we can start the car up. Beautiful. Alright, we've got radio. I really must learn how this radio works. I think we might have lost. Oh no, we've got the tunes. Excellent. Okay, that's how you replace a battery on a Ford Fiesta. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.